Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Akhil, your host, and this channel is Design Technology. Today we are looking at applicant tracking systems and how they can help you recruit in a better way. Now, if you are somebody who's a founder of a company, or somebody who's who finds himself in a lot of situations where you have to recruit a lot of people frequently, then you will benefit a lot by this video. And right now the way you may be hiring would be to go to different websites and platforms like Monster Jobs or LinkedIn, or like in India we have Times Jobs, we have Naukri.com and all these platforms. Wherein you could go as a recruiter, you would create your own profile, and you would be able to start attracting applicants and applications after posting your requirements and your ads. Now the thing with this, the challenge with this approach is, once you receive all these CVs on these platforms, you have to go to these 4 or 5 different dashboards that these companies provide, and you have to sort through CVs on these 4 or 5 different platforms. And then you may some CVs at the end, the shortlisted CVs, you will have to then collate them in an Excel sheet at the end, and then you would have to take the process forward from there. Now, this is a very time consuming and a cumbersome process. There are applicant tracking systems now, and with the help of the latest technology, what you could do is you could an applicant tracking system could provide you a form on your website, and with the website link is what you would share on these 4 or 5 platforms, and the applications would be received onto your website, and you would get a singular dashboard, which this applicant tracking system would provide you, a singular dashboard where all of the CVs from all these 4 or 5 different platforms would start coming in, rolling in, and you would have a complete visibility on what kind of people are applying to you in a singular place. You don't have to collate them from different places. You can filter them here. You can take them through the rest of the process. And some ATS or applicant tracking systems, they even provide you the complete management and pipeline management abilities. For example, you have, let's say, about 100 candidates who have applied to your job, and you want to move them to the next step of the process, which is interview, and there's another process after that, which is the technical round, for example. Now, with an applicant tracking system or a pipelining system, what you could do is you could start shortlisting them based on different criteria. You could put on these filters, and then you could take them to the next round, and you could even document why some people got selected into the next round, some did not, some got shortlisted, some did not. And you could even have video calls and collaboration with your team members who are going to interview these people on this dashboard itself, and you can get all of this data about the number of interviews that are happening, the number of applicants that are going to the next round, and so on. And at the end, after going through the complete process, you may have like 5 to 6 different steps in the process, right? The technical round, interview, and the HR round, for example. And there would be some people that will make it at the very end. So you can have right from somebody applying to your website or your job application till the time somebody selected. You can cover all of these steps with an applicant tracking system, and this is going to completely revolutionize the way you hire currently. And so if you want more information on how applicant tracking systems work, head over to our website www.designandtech.co. There are many ATSs that are providing artificial intelligence now to filter through all these CVs and through all these profiles of different people. And what the benefit with these ATSs is that you're always getting a database of the people who you selected or didn't select, and then you could use the people who you didn't select in later rounds, or whenever a new requirement comes up after a few months. So like I said, head over to our website for some opinions and some more articles and more information on applicant tracking systems and how recruitment can work in the new age in 2019 and 2020. So see you on our website, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your attention and time. Thank you.